Hi guys. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about an update that Planet IX gave us. So the update is there are new tiles that are gonna be introduced and new tile contract as well. So before they've introduced the B tiles, which is the B1 to B12 tiles, and that you have to stake a tile contract so that you can use the B1 to B12 tile. So now they've introduced an additional new tile. So they've introduced now the C tiles. So for the C tiles, there are two contracts in which you can use to be able to access those tiles. So the first contract that they introduced is a C1 contract, which is also called the Chronos Contract, and it will allow you to unlock 12 additional tiles on top of what you already have right now with the A1 and the B1's tile. And now we have C2 tile contract, which is also called the Helios Contract over here. And it allows you to add more additional 6 more tiles to your mission control. So that's what they do. So now, how do you obtain these two tiles? So you can either obtain these at OpenSea. You can check at OpenSea if they're already available there and buy it there in the marketplace trade. Up to you what you want to do. Or you can also buy a cargo drop 3, and that cargo drop 3 will give you either one of these C1 or C2 tile contract. So I'm gonna talk about what these tile contract do exactly. So for Helios, which is the C2 tile, the waste spawn has an average of 18, and then tech efficiency is 30% plus, and then structure bonus is plus 20%, and then there's a 30% chance of you getting this in the cargo drop 3. And then the rent cost to use the tiles is 1 Astro Gold per month per tile. And then now the Chronos tile contract, which is a C2, which is a C1, I mean. Hold on, let me just check. Yeah. The Chronos has a waste spawn of an average of 15 daily. And then the tech efficiency is plus 20%. The structure bonus is plus 10%. And then there's a 70% chance of you getting this in the cargo drop 3. And the rent is also the same. It costs 1 Astro Gold per tile per month. So that's all I have to say about this update. There's not much to say, but now I'm going to show you how you can use these tile contracts, stake them, and then unlock your tile. I'm just going to go through with it. So also, guys, you can find this update at the homepage over here. So if you go to the homepage, this is what the homepage looks like, Planet IX, and you scroll down, you will see all of the updates that's happening. And it usually shows like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 6 past updates in the homepage of Planet IX. You can see it here. So over here, this is what I was talking about, introducing C tiles. So that's what I was talking about. And other news as well, you can find it here. Or you can either click on this to the right of your screen at the corner. You can, near the bell, you can click on these lines. And then if you go down, you can use your arrow on your laptop if you want. But if you go down here, you can see comms. Now, if you click on comms, so I'm gonna click on comms, it's gonna take you here, and it's gonna show you all the past news, everything. So if you miss the news, you can just look here, or also you can look for the bell icon, click on the bell and look at the messages, and there's some messages and news you can see there. So there, just wanted to mention that out. And if you guys are having trouble looking for this specific article, I can put that in a link down for you guys so it's easier. Okay, now let's learn how to use these styles. So go to your mission control, right? This is what the mission control is. Go to your terminal, I mean. So go to terminal. So if you're in a homepage of Planet IX, like before, you can click on game and it will bring you here to the terminal. Or if you're on a mission control, you can click on terminal and it will bring you here. But anyways, this is what the terminal looks like, or the game. So from here, what you want to do is click on this, new lands. And now what you want to do is stake assets. Now, what you want to do is stake tile contract. And then over here, as you can see, there's different types of tile contracts. There's the Apollo contract, that's for A1 to A6 tiles. And then there's the Artemis contract, that's for the B1 to B12 tiles. I've already have both of my contracts staked, and I'm able to use my A1 to A6 tiles and my B1 to B6 to B12 tiles as well. So now they've added 2 new contracts, right? We've talked about it before. So they've added a Helios contract, and then they've added a Chronos contract. So I believe before, in my previous videos, I've already mentioned the Cargo Drop 3, and I've taught you guys how to purchase it. But if you don't know how to purchase it, I'll put it in the link down below for that specific video. But anyways, when I bought the Cargo Drop 3, it came with either one of these Helios contract or Chronos contract. You're either going to get either Helios contract or Chronos contract, but you're going to get either one of these. So I've already opened my Cargo Drop, and I purchased it, I open it, and I've received my tile. So I believe I have this Helios contract. Yeah, so what I got from my Cargo Drop is this Helios contract. They give me this Helios contract, and I haven't staked it yet, so I'm gonna stake it now. And I only have one, as you guys can see, items owned 1, and you guys can also check on your inventory if you have it. And basically what this is gonna do is that I'm gonna be able to access C1, C4, C7, C10, C13, C16 tiles. That's 6 tiles. So I'm gonna be able to access those 6 tiles, and it has a waste spawn rate of plus 200%, tech capacity of plus 30%, industry efficiency of plus 20%. And then for the Chronos contract, you're gonna be able to unlock 12 tiles. And it has a waste spawn of 150%, it has a tech capacity of plus 20%, and industry efficiency of plus 10%. So right now, I'm gonna just go to the Helios contract because that's what I have, and I'm gonna stake it. So to stake it, you just select it, right? And then you click on this on switch button, and then you're gonna click on confirm. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. There we go. So just click on confirm. Go down, confirm. Now you're gonna exit. Exit. So when you exit, it's gonna take you to your mission control, and as you guys can see, I've unlocked my 6 tiles. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiles showing. So now to use those tiles, I need to pay a rent. So I'm just gonna show you for the purpose of this video. So I'm just gonna unlock one of them just to show you. So I'm gonna click on build, right? I'm gonna click on build, and I'm gonna click on contracts. And now I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna look for my C2 contract. So there we go, that's my C2 contract. I'm gonna click on it. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna activate it. So over here, if you zoom in, you can actually see the tiles have numbers. So this is C13, this is C810 over there, and this one is hold on. This one is C7, and this one is C4. This one over here. Sorry guys, I'm not pointing my cursor. This is C4, this is C13 over here, and then this is this is C1, this is C16 over here, C16, C1, and this is C10 and this is C7. Okay, so I just wanted to point that out, and what that can do is that it can help you select which one exactly you want to activate. So let's say I want to activate, let's just say C7. So I'm gonna go over here. Wait, am I in the right contract? This is supposed to be C7. C7 is supposed to show here. Or if I zoom in, maybe that's not C7. Oh, right. Yeah, I'm looking for C7 tile. But my tile contract, I got confused, is C2. So my tile contract is C2, but the number of the tile is 7. So over here, I'm gonna select C27. That's the C7 tile. So I'm gonna activate that, which is this one. It's also gonna light up when you click on the switch. I'm gonna click on confirm. And I'm gonna use my Astro Gold. Let me see if it lets me. Does it let me? Wait, let me do that again. Because right now my Astrolight is active, so I'm not sure if I can use it. If not, I have to use my Astro Gold, but if not, I can swap Astro Gold. Like, so let me just see. Okay, it let me. So there we go. So now I have my C27. I have it active, so now I can use it. I've activated it, so now I can use it. And now I'm just gonna pick on what to stake. So for example, I'm gonna click on land, and I'm gonna stake just a rare. So let's just click, I don't know, India maybe. And now I'm gonna place it here, and I'm gonna confirm it. So there you go. That's how you use those C2 tiles, C tiles, I mean. There we go. So we successfully stake it, and that is how you stake those new C tile contracts, and how you activate those C contracts, and how to use those C tiles. Okay. So this is it for this video. This is it, and see you on the next one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and our other videos as well. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, comment down below for more videos, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll create more videos and answer them for you. Okay, bye-bye. That is it for this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.